Hi everyone, we're back and we're making sausage stuffing. Start by preheating your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut or tear about 2 pounds of bread into bite-sized pieces and place onto 2 cooking sheets. Place into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove from oven, then move bread around on the sheet. Place back into the oven, making sure to rotate your sheets. Bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes, turn off the oven, remove, then set aside. Finally chop 3 to 4 celery sticks and about half a large onion. Cut 1 stick of butter into pieces and place into a large skillet or Dutch oven over medium heat. Allow butter to melt, then add 1.5 pounds of Italian or breakfast sausage. Break up meat, then push to one side. Now you can add your celery and the onion. Continue to break up the sausage while stirring the celery and onion. Cook for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the vegetables start to soften. Mix in 1/3 cup of finely chopped fresh sage. You can add more or less depending on your taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Once vegetables have started to soften, remove from heat. Whisk 3 eggs with half a cup of chicken broth or broth of your choice. Add 3.5 cups of broth to your meat mixture. Then slowly pour in the egg mixture, stirring constantly until fully combined. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now add your bread and carefully fold until fully combined. Next, lightly spray or butter a 9-inch by 14-inch baking dish and add the stuffing mixture into the dish. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Remove the foil and continue baking for an additional 15 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the oven and you are ready to devour this delicious stuffing. We hope you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and enjoy!